అన్నీ వస్తుందా దీంట్లో?
Okay.
ఓకే.
Creation of house bank account. T code is /n FI12. So company code BA12. Enter. Here click on new entries. Maintain house bank account. I'm giving like SBI. Country INR. Here bank key. I'm giving like SBI. Enter. Here click on already created. Here click on address. So already our address is here only, so enter and save. So next here double click on bank accounts. Here click on new entries. Account ID is SBI. Here I am giving like bank accounts. Here number I am giving like 1 to 8 numbers. So here GL account. GL account I am giving outgoing bank. So currency INR. Enter and save. So next one check lot creation. /n FCHI. So here we have to give main bank account. Here main bank GL account, enter and save. Next one, check lot creation /n FCHI. House bank is SBI, account ID is SBI. Enter. Here click on change. Here click on create. Here lot number 01, number from 1000 to 1099. Enter. Here short is info is check lot for bank. Enter and save. Next one, manual check creation /n FCH5. So here check number I am giving 1000. Enter. So here we need payment document number. So we have to go to /n F-53. So we should have final clearing document number.
So we will create only for this outgoing payment or what?
Which one, sir?
For this house banking. House banking.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So here vendor account number. Enter. So here document stimulate is too large, you can go through this. So save. So document number 15,002. So go to /n FCH5.
Hi Shruti. Let me do one thing. I have very bad network here, and let me do. I will follow the recordings later. No, I will join bit later or tomorrow.
Yeah,
I
okay.
just follow the recordings. Yes, I'm outside. Thank you. Thank you.
మ్యూట్లో ఉన్నారు శృతి.
We enter the payment document number and automatically it opens the screen. So that's it, enter and save. We have created creation of check information. If we need any other number, we can create. How many we need, we can create. Like I have given from 1000 to 1099. So till that number we can create anything, any number of things. Next one, check enhancement date update /n FCH6. So enter. So date, today's date. Enter and save. We want to view check history /n FCHN. Company code, DA12, enter. Here click on execute. This is the check history, you can see. Like this one we did. Is that clear?
Okay. This is for every time you need to create for this, or
Sir, for every company code we need to create this one. House bank.
house bank?
Ah.
For monthly or yearly? We need to monthly. We need to update on this.
Not monthly, sir.
Once a creation is continued, we need to do.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Next one, deletion of enhancement date, encashment date /n FCHG. So here number 1000, enter. Here click on execute. Here click on S. So data from one check was cancelled. If we want to cancel, we can cancel like this. Next one, unused checks /n FCH3. Here from number 01, because 1000 we already given and we have cancelled. So once we'll check. Reason 6. Enter. So it should be 1001. Enter. Here click on void. 1001 has been voided.
It has been deleted or it will be there, but void condition.
Yes, sir. Creation of void reason code /n FCHV. So here click on new entries, giving like 11. Reason is top. Enter. There and 21. So enter and save. Next one, process cancel payments. Issued check cancellation. FCH8. Check 1001. Reason. So now we have created like 21. So reversal reason is 01. Date, today's date. Posting period 9. So enter. So check with 1000.
Whereas put not doing like that. 1001. No, it's out.
It's possible.
Mm.
So here click on cancel payment.
Okay.
Was cancelled. Reverse document number is there. So that's it about this topic.
House banking.
So
This will be not come every month, right? Once we create now that it will be solved. We anyway we need to.
yes, sir. Anyway, we
The
ought to know
payment in
about
the
this.
time only. Okay. If we need to cancel any payment, we need to go from this, right? Otherwise, no
Yes,
need to
sir.
this.